Hola, ¿cómo estás? Welcome back to the tutoring experience. Mi nombre es Alan, and I'm honored to be your Spanish teacher. In this lesson, you'll learn how to count from 0 to 100 in Spanish. I'll prove to you that it's way easier than you think. One of the most common mistakes for travelers is to go to a country without having learned the numbers in the local language. Hola señorita, buenos días.
Bonjour, c'est combien ça?
No señorita, no entiendo francés.
Combien?
No English. No francés.
Non, combien?
Ah, ¿el mango? Sí. 50 pesos el kilo, señorita. 50. I don't want that to be the case for you, but I can't teach you how to buy things or how to ask for the price of something in Spanish if you don't know the numbers first. And believe me, there are many situations in which you could need them. For most people, the thought of memorizing thousands of numbers is overwhelming, but the reality is that you only need to memorize a few key numbers and then understand the patterns to construct more complicated figures. Luckily for you, the way we count in Spanish is not that different from the English system. We'll divide this lesson into 4 parts. First, the numbers from 0 to 9, which of course are the most important, and then 10 to 19, 20 to 29, and 30 to 100. So let's get started with the numbers you absolutely need to memorize. You might already know them, but I want you to pay close attention to their spelling and pronunciation, because you'll use these numbers all the time. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Did you notice that the last 4 numbers of this group consist of 2 different parts? The prefix viesi, which refers to 10, followed by the numbers 6, 7, 8, y 9. The numbers for the next group follow the same pattern, but this time with the prefix 20, which refers to 20. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. The emphasis or stress of compound numbers such as this falls on the last word, the numbers from 1 to 9. Listen again. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. The pattern for the numbers from 30 onwards is even easier. Let's start by learning the numbers for the multiples of 10. 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. Now you just need to add the numbers from 1 to 9 to the multiples of 10 to construct the rest of the numbers. The way you link the first and the second word is by adding the letter Y between them. The letter Y alone means and. So 31 in Spanish would literally be 30 and 1. Let's look at some examples. 31, 32, 43, 44, 55, 56, 67, 78, 88, 99, 100. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to count up to 1 million. But don't be scared. If you master this lesson, counting up to 1 million will be very simple. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Challenge them to learn with you. And don't forget that we have a gift for you. To help you get started in Spanish the right way and interact with the locals during your next trip abroad. To download it for free, just click the link in the description below. Our gift for you for being here and being a subscriber. Gracias y hasta la próxima semana.